Hi there, this is Ben from Über BarTools. I wanted to say a few words about was our signature tool. This was the first tool that we put some design effort into fully recreating the humble pourer. We've created something that is outstanding here that we call the ProFlow. Now this is the best pourer available in the market today. Completely leak proof, it fits into the bottle perfectly. It's actually fully modular, so you can actually change the different cork sizes depending on the diameter of the bottle, and also great for cleaning. Screwing that in, of course the rubber here, very high quality food grade rubber, which also has what we call refreshable fins. So that is to say that if it's in quite a tight bottle and you pull it out, you can actually put it in some hot water and those fins will go back to their original shape. Just snugging it right into the top of the bottle, snapping in beautifully. As you can see, it's a tight fit into that bottle there. We also have the BarFlow pourer. Now this one of course is designed in a one-piece construction. Similar design flow rate there, but this one is actually a little bit faster, the 3-second flow rate with the breathable air tube. So we find a lot of bars using the BarFlow, their preferred pourer. Let me just show you quite frankly how easy it is to use the pourer. Once it's in the bottle, of course, the pourer plays the role of being able to restrict the flow so that we can also control the flow and pour in a more smooth and controlled manner. So there we have it, and nice and simple into the glass. So that's the range of the two signature pourers for the Über BarTools range, the ProFlow and the BarFlow, the best available in the market today.